This is how Citing works with augmented documents. So I'm on the ACM Digital Library website. This article by Mark Bernstein looks interesting, so I click on the PDF. I do Command S to save it. I'll just put it on the desktop. Open it in Reader, which analyzes it. I use Escape to go full screen. I read about a bit, and then I decide that, let me see, yeah, the abstract. I'll select that, and I'll do Command C to copy. And I go to Author, and I paste. That text has now been pasted as a citation. You can see it has Bernstein in brackets. At the end, I can change how it appears. I'm going to make it italic text. See, all the information about the document is here. That's good. Command-Shift-E to export. Here I have all kinds of options, including augmenting this document. Put it on the desktop as well, and it opens automatically in Reader. And now the citation is with the square brackets 1, the number 1. You can see it's added here to the references as well. And of course we have visual meta, which is what augments this document. If I now click on that one, I get the author's name, title, and the date of publication, which is nice. But I want to know what it actually is. And as you saw, I already have the document. So if I click on this, it opens the cited document immediately. It does that because it has added it to a library. All the PDFs that I open are added to this library. I have access with Command L, so I can choose to clean it out or use it as storage, whatever I want. But if we now go full screen on the Mark Bernstein, you'll see that at the end it has, excuse me, the visual meta information appended, which includes the name of the document, and that's key. The different repositories for academic documents have really good standards for naming. So the chance of having a name that is exactly the same twice is really, really low, and that allows for this kind of interaction. The next thing we want to do is add page numbers to this, so it'll open on the right page, maybe even the right text. And also this preview thing here will have cited text if the user, the author, has chosen to not show it in the document. In many academic documents, you don't want to have a big quote because the whole point is that the author understood the concept and is therefore just referring. So you can click on this and that'll come up there if it's available. That's the beginning of how you can cite with documents like this. You could also imagine this folder here, this library. All of these documents now have visual meta either attached by the author or automatically by being analyzed when opening in Reader. So somebody could write, I don't know, a system to do all the connections between these as a link tree or a citation tree, which is interesting, but not often easy to get the data to do. And here you build it yourself. You build it based on the documents that you have, and therefore is likely that you've looked at. Thank you.